Hi students, we are going to see about ad hoc network architecture. Before that, we'll see about what is ad hoc network. Okay, so here MANET is stand for mobile ad hoc network, which is used in wireless ad hoc network. So they consist of a set of mobile nodes that is connected wirelessly and self-configured, self-healing network without any fixed infrastructure, where the data has been routed and it is monitored continuously. So, introduction of this topic is that in computer networking, an ad hoc network refers to a network connection established from a single session and does not require a router or a wireless base station. That is defined as a category of wireless network that utilize a multiple hop radio relay and capable of operating without the support of any fixed infrastructure, and also called infrastructure-less network. So here routing and resource management is done in a distributed manner. So these are the types of networks. First we saw about the cellular network, then is your hybrid wireless network, then is your wireless sensor networks and mesh networks. So these are said to be a single hop wireless network and multiple hop wireless network or ad hoc network. So your hybrid and wireless mesh network, sensor networks are said to be your ad hoc network. So there are two types of ad hoc network. One is your wireless mesh network and another one is your wireless sensor network. So here the wireless mesh networks are formed to provide an alternate communication infrastructure for the mobile or a fixed node users without a spectrum reuse constraint. So the requirement of network planning of a cellular networks. Next is your wireless sensor network. So it is used to provide wireless communication infrastructure among the sensor and deployment of specific application. So these wireless sensor applications are widely used in many applications. Next, last one is your hybrid wireless networks, where two nodes in the same cell want to communicate with each other. The connection is routed through a multiple wireless hops over a intermediate nodes. The base station maintains the information about the topology of network for efficient routing. This diagram represents how the cellular networks communicate to each other between the cells. So it has a base station and the signal is transmitted and received. So the blue triangle represents the base station and others are represented the mobile node. So the difference between cellular network and ad hoc network. So the cellular network has a fixed infrastructure, whereas ad hoc has no infrastructure. And cellular network has single hop wireless link, and whereas ad hoc network has multi-hop wireless link, and it is centralized routing and here distributed routing, and it is high cost compared to ad hoc network, and it is seamless connectivity where frequency path breaks due to the mobility. Next, let us see the characteristics of ad hoc network. So the operating without any central coordinator and multiple hop radio relaying and frequent link breaking due to the mobile nodes. The constraint resources are bandwidth, computing power and battery lifetime and instant deployment. Next is your application. So it is used in many applications such as military application, collaborating computing, emergency rescue, mesh networks and wireless sensor networks, and multipath cellular networks and wireless community. The certain advantages are it is the separation from the central node administration, and each node can play both the roles of router and host, showing the autonomous nature, and it is highly scalable and suits for expansion of network hub. And the main improvement in this ad hoc network is the quality of services. They are working to improve the quality of services by developing efficient routing protocols to provide a better bandwidth and throughput and latency. Next is your security. To ensure the security of ad hoc network, researchers are developing efficient security mechanisms that provides encryption, authentication and authorization. The next thing is your power management. Power management to something that it has enhanced the lifetime of MANET nodes. So the researchers are working on developing efficient power management techniques to reduce energy consumption of nodes. Next is something that Multimedia support. It is working to provide multimedia support by developing efficient routing. Next is your standardization. Standardization is something that working on developing standard protocols and interface that can be used by different MANET devices. So it is mainly used in military and defense operations, healthcare, wireless sensor network, and Internet of Things. So here are two YouTube videos, animation videos, so you can easily understand about the wireless Adhoc network. It is you just view this video, and if you have any clarification related to this topic, please feel free to approach me. Thank you, students. Bye.